Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curl Rehab. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things that I bought from the beauty supply store. So pretty much this is going to be a hair product haul. So I have quite a few things, so we're going to just get started. Alright guys, so if you're wondering where I got my products from, I got them from a beauty supply store called Beauty World. It's not too far from where I live, so I usually go there to get a lot of my hair products. I usually buy a lot of my hair products at one time so that I don't really have to go back to the store and get any more products for a long time. So yeah, so we're gonna get started, but that's where I got all these products from. That's gonna be on this haul. All right, so I kind of tried to break it up into like category somewhat. So first we're going to start off with shampoos. I had purchased two shampoos. This one is the Eden Body Works Natural Moisturizing Shampoo, jojoba and manoi, to treat damaged hair. That's how that looks. So I've never really used Eden Body Works shampoos yet. I have used their natural hair mask treatment, the coconut shea brand, so I really love that. So I'm kind of I want to just try out the shampoo, and I was going to get the coconut one, but I didn't see that one over there, so I just decided to get this one. So yeah, I got this shampoo, so I'm excited to try this one out and see how it does with cleansing my hair. And this is a oldie but goodie. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo. This one this is like my favorite shampoo. I like to use, I pretty much just stick with this one most of the time. And this one has the shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I think that's why I like it so much, because it has the peppermint and apple cider vinegar in it, which is really good with cleaning and clarifying my scalp. So yeah, so I got this one. Alright, so then I'm just going to sit some on like cleaning products. I might as well just show you guys this one too. This is a soap that I bought. This is the Shea Moisture Lemongrass and Ginger Shea Butter Soap with orange peel for purifying and uplifting. That's how that looks. I bought this soap. It just looked really interesting, so I said, let me try this out. I have used some of the shea butter soaps before. I believe I got the one that's like rose. I think it's like rose something, but I really do like their soaps, so I did decide to get this one, and it's really good. I imagine this is gonna be really good for my skin, so I'm really tempted to see, or curious to see how it'll be on my skin. And it actually smells pretty good. It smells really citrusy. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. And this was $5. Alright, so now that I've talked about the shampoos that I got, I did get one conditioner, like a regular conditioner that I use after I shampoo my hair, and I use my conditioner to rinse out and co-wash my hair. I only got this one. This is the Organics Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner. That's how that looks. When I got this one, this was very interesting because it has coconut milk in it. So I love coconut milk, as you guys know, or coconut oil, anything with coconuts. I love, as you guys probably already know that. But I just decided to get this because I actually am running out of conditioner for like co-washing my hair. So I just said, let me try this one. And I haven't really used a lot of the organics. I haven't really used a lot of their OGX. I haven't really used a lot of their shampoos and conditioners, but it's supposed to add strength, elasticity, hydration, and balance for healthy hair, so I was all in, so I got this as well. Alright, and then I also got a oil. Now I do like their oils from OGX. I've tried their oils before, so this is nothing really new for me. I've actually used the coconut oil, and I've used the keratin oil. I like those I really like those oils. But I decided to change up and use the argan oil of Morocco. This is with Weightless Healing Dry Oil. That's how that looks. And I just really like this oil. I usually use oils like this if I'm like taking a wash and go down or my braid out and stuff like that. I'll use a bit of this oil to take my hair down, or put my hair up at night. I'll spray a little bit of this in my hair, and then I'll take it and put it up however I'm gonna put my hair up. And I really love this oil when my hair is straight. I'll use this a lot when my hair is straight. I'll spray my ends of my hair, or do that before I wrap my hair up, or put it up however I'm gonna put my hair up. So yeah, I really needed some more of this oil, so I got this as well. Okay, now I'm just going to go into my deep conditioners. I got 2 deep conditioners from 2 different brands. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. Yeah, so as you guys know, I really love the reparative leave-in conditioner from the same line. I really love that leave-in conditioner, so I was like, I am excited to try this deep conditioner with that leave-in, because I imagine it'll be really, I imagine this deep conditioner is gonna be really good. Usually, like you guys know, I don't really use the same brands of products. If you haven't noticed that yet, usually I like to mix and match. Like, I don't use the same line when I'm doing my hair regimens and things like that. I don't use the same brand deep conditioners, leave-in, shampoos, and things like that. I usually like to mix and match. I don't know, that's just something I like to do. But I was really, like, I love the Curls products. I do like that leave-in, so I just wanted to kind of step out and kind of try some of the same lines, and I do plan on doing that with this Curls Blueberry line, because I really like the line. So I did get their deep conditioner. I also got something else from them too, but before I get into that, I got another deep conditioner. This is from Eden Body Works. This is the Natural Deep Conditioner, jojoba and manoi. So I've used the Eden Body Works Natural Hair Mask Treatment, the Coconut Shea, and I really like that conditioner. I was actually using that deep conditioner as a leave-in at one point, so I really like that deep conditioner. So I just wanted to change up and maybe try some more of their other products. And since I had got their shampoo, I said, let me try using their deep conditioner as well. So yeah, I got this one, so I'm excited to try this. It also has coconut in it, so it's supposed to be good for damage and dryness. And I've never really had a deep conditioner that I didn't like, so I love deep conditioners. You can never have too many deep conditioners, so I got this one as well. Okay, all right, now I got a lot of different stylers and creams and things like that. So now we're going to get into those. So since I just talked about Eden Body Works and their natural hair mask treatment, the Coconut Shea, I actually got the Natural Curl Defining Cream in that same line. But this is meant to actually define your curls and so forth. So, and it says medium hold, so maybe it's going to give me like a nice moisturized but soft hold. So yeah, I am excited to use this because I really love the deep conditioner in this line. So I wanted to try the curl cream, defining curl cream. So I got this as well. Okay, and then another styler. Well, styler says leave-in. Like I was talking about the curls. This is a I got this, finally got some of this. This is the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. I finally got some of this. I've been hearing a lot about this product and I've always wanted to kind of try it. So like I was saying with this deep conditioner, I'm probably going to use this deep conditioner with using that leave-in that I already have, and then using this and seeing what it does to my hair. I was going to try that co-wash that they have, but I said, well, I can just use my regular conditioners and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited and curious to try this. And on this it says proven to grow, repair, protect, and restore damaged tresses. So I'm curious to see what this is going to do. And I imagine this smells amazing. I bet, because the leave-in smells amazing. So I know this curl control gel, it just looks like it smells amazing. So this is how that looks. Yeah, so I got that. And now since we're talking about gels and, you know, things like that, I was so excited to get this. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen or are familiar. I do use this a lot. I use this aloe vera gel for a lot of my braid outs and twist outs, and I even use them for washi gels sometimes too, and for roller sets like flexi rods or perm rod sets. So I love this gel. That's how it looks. It's Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel, 100%. And of course you can use this. Some people think you can just use this for your skin and things like that, and it is good for your skin. It's good for like burns and insect bites and a lot of just different things like that. Insect bites, burns, cuts, scrapes, things like that. Aloe vera gel is really good, period, for your skin, but it's also amazing for your hair too. And I know a lot of people use like the actual plant. They actually use the aloe vera gel from the plant, but I just like to use this because it's really convenient and it really works. Like, I love this. I love to put this in my hair and use it as hair gel. So I usually moisturize my hair off. I even use it for like my buns, like if I'm slicking down my edges and things like that. So this was, and I just couldn't believe the size, because I usually use the smaller size, which is still a decent size bottle. But that bottle is like $4. This was $8, but it's a lot more in it. This is 24 ounces. See, that's a nice size. I will have this for a minute. So I was excited when I seen this, and I was like, I didn't even know they had carried this, but I was so excited when I got this, because this is a holy grail product for me. So yeah, so I got this as well. If y'all are not on or hip to this aloe vera gel yet, go get you some, because this is really good for your hair. Because it not only does it give you a nice hold, but it's also moisturizing your hair at the same, and it also has these good benefits for your hair as well. So you can't go wrong with aloe vera gel. But yeah, I got this as well, so I won't have to worry about going and no aloe vera gel no time soon. All right, and a few more things. All right, so this is another holy grail product for me. This is the Kinky Curly Knot Today Leave-In Detangler. That's how that looks. I love this product. And for the last few months, I know it's been a while, and it's like every time I went to their beauty supply store, they were out of stock. So finally they had it in stock, and I was so excited. I should have got more than this one, but oh well. But this is a great product. You guys have not really seen me use this product yet, because I haven't been able to get it, because that was the only place that I knew of that actually carried it in the beauty supply store. Because most of like my local Walmart, they don't carry this, nor the local beauty supply store that I have, they don't carry it either. So the place that I said, Beauty World, they actually do carry it. So but I love this product. And then I also got the Mielle Organics. This is the avocado moisturizing hair milk. Now, I've used the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. I want to pair this hair milk with that cocktail curl cream and see what happens. So we'll see what I'm gonna do with that. But this is how it looks. And I really like the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. So I just said, let me try this hair milk and see what this is all about. So if you use this product, comment down below and let me know. Did you like the product, or, you know, what are your thoughts on it? I started to get that peony, I think it's like the leave-in spray type thing, but I don't really like watered down leave-ins like that, so that's why I didn't even bother getting it. Then I know someone had told me, or had a comment on my my video where I did a review on the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. Someone had told me, I believe it was to try it with the mousse too. I think that works really well with the mousse. And they might have mentioned the avocado hair milk. I will have to check that out and see. But I didn't get the mousse because I just don't use mousse like that. But I did want to try the hair milk, so I will probably test that product out with the Brazilian cocktail curl cream and see how that is, or I may just try it alone and see, because I can tell the consistency is gonna be really good. So yes, I got this. I'm excited to try this as well. All right, and then my last two products, guys, is from the Pantene Gold series. This is the hydrating buttercream infused with argan oil, and then this one is the curl defining pudding. All right, so I've been hearing so much about the Pantene Gold series. Like, I've been seeing it so much, like on YouTube videos. I've been seeing so many people using this product and talking about this product, and I'm just gonna say I've never really been a big fan of Pantene. Like, since I've been natural, I've not really used a lot of Pantene products. I'm kind of going out on a limb with these. This is with the Gold series. I've just been seeing it so much and hearing about it so much, and I'm just so curious to see exactly, you know, what these products are all about. So I am going to try to probably use these products together. This is the curl pudding, so I'm gonna probably try this curl pudding and this buttercream together and see how, like, maybe a wash and go, how it comes out. So I'm excited to try it, but I'm just like, I've never been a big fan. But after looking at like videos and things like that, it looks like it's very moisturizing. So I don't know, I'm gonna give it a shot and see. But like I said, I've never really been a big Pantene fan, but we're gonna see, you know, if I'm a fan of these products. So yeah, so that's pretty much all my products. Then I just got this spray bottle, because you can never have too many spray bottles. I just got this, you know, cheapo spray bottle. It's like $2, because one of the other the bottle that I have now, I have 2 bottles now. I don't know where my other bottle's at, but I have 2 spray bottles, and one I use just for my regular water in it, and the other one, usually my rice water's in that. So I needed another bottle in case I wanted to maybe make another mixture, like, you know, a little mist, moisturizing mist or something like that. So you can never have too many spray bottles. So yeah, and then I also got a free, I guess this is NK. I also got this free eyeliner because I bought so much stuff. Yeah, so yeah, that is my product haul, guys. I know it was a lot of stuff, but I'm so excited to try some of these products. Like I said, some of these are oldie goodie products, and some of these are new products to me. So I'm excited to try them all. Let me know down in the comment section if you've tried some of these products. Let me know how you like these products. Also, if you want to see any reviews on any of these products that I mentioned today, let me know down in the comment section. I'll see if I can get that done for you. If you enjoyed this product haul, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section below. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.